Bonjour mes amis, bienvenue à Avignon en France. Welcome to Avignon in France for day 18, I think. Today was a regular working day. There was a pastry of the day. Okay, today's pastry and tomorrow's pastry is from a completely new bakery that I found. So I got a coffee eclair. Oops. Oh. Ooh. Didn't mean to taste that, but. And pain chocolat. I am definitely going to wait, eat my dinner, a nice healthy dinner, and then dessert, and this will be breakfast. Yes. And I managed to hit a quick market to make a fantastic meal. All of this was awesome and made for a great day. But the highlight of today was finally getting out and doing a little bit of droning. That was kind of fun. I woke up this morning, I was going to walk to Villeneuve actually, there's some towers and ruins out there. Maybe I'll go tomorrow if I wake up with the energy to walk that far, which I thought I did today. But when I woke up, I saw that it was really spooky and foggy, and I thought, and the streets were just empty. And I thought this might be the perfect opportunity to get some really cool, grainy shots of the Pope's Palace and Palais de Pape. So I went walking, I started heading out, and I realized, wow, this is a good day for that. And so I just wound up turning around and going back to the apartment, grabbing my drone, coming back here during the day, and just running the drone up and down. And I'm always a little, chicken about bringing the drone out because it's kind of attention grabbing. It makes a little bit of noise, at least at first. And, you never know, right? Like, especially in some of the touristy areas, they get really, really upset. They don't want you flying the drone around their stuff. And, some drone users haven't been too awesome about it and have kind of ruined it for the rest of us, like, banging your drone into things and that, crashing in awkward spots, or just flying it around and, disturbing people. So the other side of that, though, is more often than not, especially because I have the mini drone, nobody cares. You just get out there, they're not even looking at you, not even worried about it. I do know that I can't use the drone on the Pont D'Avignon, which I was really disappointed at, because you have to pay to get in and they search your bag. So even if I, wanted to cheat that, it's just impossible. But that's how I wanted to kind of set up, doing something about the song, right? Because I thought if I get the drone up and, but instead, what I managed to do today was I did get some photos or some video of the palace and the big church up here, which you probably can't see in the dark. But it was a little too foggy to get really good shots. I thought they'd be like I had to get too close to the building in order for things to be in view. So I want mist, I don't want fog. But when I took it over to the bridge, the Pont D'Avignon, I got some amazing shots. It was like the perfect, it wasn't too sunny to create glares or anything like that. So I got some really cool shots of the bridge. And then I almost forgot to just turn the drone around and take some shots of the city. And I got some great shots there too. But why don't you tell me? Let's take a look. I'll show you a montage of my drone shots. Enjoy. Wasn't that cool? Yeah, so I absolutely do not regret taking the drone out today. I pretty much ran the batteries out. So I had a lot of fun. Not all the shots worked out, but the ones that I do, hopefully you will agree with me, really worked out. So with that said, another great day. And there'll be another great video, or no, there'll be another video tomorrow. They can't all be great. Yeah, should be fun. I hope you're doing well. I'm, of course, doing well. Things are really working out. I hope they continue to work out for you as well. Please, you know, travel. Go and make some plans to travel. It's enriching. You get to take your drones to really cool places, you know. And if there's any way I can help, please let me know. Please send me some questions. I do want to make that Q&A video. And if you're watching this on YouTube, I would absolutely love and appreciate if you could subscribe, because it really helps me out. But anything like a like, a comment, they go a long way as well. And I really do appreciate it. And I read every comment, every message, everything. Really, you know, feels good that people are enjoying the videos and everything. So with that, there'll be another one tomorrow. À demain. Au revoir. Good night, everyone.